How to refer someone to a job in GCash. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to teach you how. So without any delay, let's start. For that, you may open up a GCash application and basically log in into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, you may locate up the option called View All Services and tap on it. Once you've tapped on View All Services, you will be finding different options. So you may scroll down, and after scrolling down, you should be finding option called Jobs. You may just go ahead and locate up that option called Jobs from the Enjoy section and tap on it. Once you tap on Jobs here, you will be finding different industry, different jobs. So from the given interface, you may look out for different jobs and look out for the option called Refer Now, which is right under the Sprout Job section. You can tap on the Refer Now option from your screen. And then once you tap on it, all you gotta do is simply follow the on-screen instructions. The first step is you need to tap Job List and find various jobs across various industries. After that, you can match jobs with your friends. So you can read the job description and think of a suitable contact that you can refer them to. After that, enter your friend's name and email, then tap Refer, and your referred candidate will receive an email notification so they can apply easily. After that, you can earn GCash easily if your referred candidate gets hired. And you can just tap on Refer Now and follow the on-screen instructions after that. And that is it. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.